Hi, I'm Hira, and I'm going to show you how to set up a personal bookings page in Microsoft 365 so people can grab time on your calendar without endless email back and forth. You'll need a Microsoft work or school account, but once you have that, the rest is straightforward. The fastest way in is to head to book.ms and click Go to My Booking page under the Personal Booking header. You can also reach the same place from Outlook on the web. Just open Calendar View. Choose Go to My Booking page on the left. You can publish two kinds of appointments: public slots anyone can schedule, or private ones that require a special link. You can switch between the two at any time. Click the plus icon to create your first offering, in my case, a Microsoft Teams consultation, and fill in the details, like add a category color to distinguish between your different type of meetings, a time, basically how long one meeting will take. In this example, I'm creating a Microsoft Teams consultation so people can learn the ins and outs of Teams, so I'm going to set it for 30 mins. You can set the location, decide whether to make it a Teams meet, public or private. You can stick with your regular Outlook working hours or set custom availability. And under Advanced Options, you can fine-tune details such as minimum lead time. I'm requiring at least 2 days' notice, so I'm going to trigger this. When everything looks good, click Save and the meeting type appears on your booking page. Need more meeting types? Just hit the plus icon again. To let people actually book time, share the page. The Share button in the top right lets you copy a link, perfect for websites or social media. Send the page via email or embed it in your email signature. The three-dot menu beside a meeting type allows you to share that single offering. The three-dot menu beside any appointment type lets you share just that single option. I'm emailing the link for a one-on-one Teams consultation to my demo account. From the recipient's side, they open the link, pick the Teams consultation, and select a date. Because of the 2-day lead time, today isn't available, but any future date with a green ring works. They choose 3 p.m., adjust the time zone if needed, enter their details and notes, then click Book. Instantly, the meeting lands on both calendars, and either party can open the invite, hit Manage Meeting, and reschedule or cancel. A personal booking page works well for individuals, but larger teams might need more. Click back to all booking pages in the upper left and choose Create under Shared Booking Page. A shared page offers deeper customization, lets you add multiple staff members, and supports a wider variety of services, perfect for bigger operations that want full control over their booking experience. Ready to put Microsoft 365 to work for you? Book a meeting with Communication Square, and let's get your scheduling humming in no time.